guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and let me tell you one thing, this is my very first video, so I request you all to please support my YouTube channel and please subscribe my channel to know more about the robotics, robots and the projects.
I wanted this love to survive. Now when I look in your heart.
In this today's video, we will learn about the robotics. And what is the robotics is? Robotics is a branch or it is a subject where we learn about the robots. So I will show you, this is our very cute and exciting robot, and we call it Chitty robot. And this is not the real name of the robot. We can keep the other names also, like some others name, like Iron Man or something, but it is not, obviously it is not Iron Man. But the thing is, we have to learn in an interesting way, in a fun way about the robotics. So now in the next, I will show you how this robot works and what is the working of this robot. Basically this robot is for the educational purpose. So
now robot will say hello to you all. Now robot will dance for you.
Really?
Let's see.
I am very excited.
So let's start.
So these are all the types of actions we can do using the programming. We have to do some programming using Python, C, C++, or we can do block-based programming also. So that we can make the actions, we can make the robot dance, we can make the robot to say hi, hello, and we can make them to talk also. So these all are the things we learned in the robotics. So at the last, I will say thank you so much, and we will meet in the next video.